Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you didn't know, my name is Shemaine. So in today's video, we are doing a full face of Colourpop. Whoa! I recently did a little Colourpop haul with their California Love palette. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. Excuse me if I sound a little sickly. I feel like I'm getting sick. Okay, so yeah, look at this beautiful palette. Such pretty colors, I could not help myself. And I also got their Catch Some Sun brushes, which look like this. Oops. I will be using them today. And I also got their California Love Ultra Blotted Lips. Look at these colors, aren't they gorgeous? So this one is the Cypress Chill. It says Cypress Chill. So pretty. Yeah. And then this one is Scenic Route. I think I'll be using this one. So that's Scenic Route right there. This one is OJ There. OJ There. I think that's what it's called. Gorgeous, gorgeous, right? Okay, now I do not have a Colourpop primer. So I'm going to be using this Physicians Formula 24 Karat Collagen Serum. I know it's not a primer, but we're gonna use another primer on top of that. I just wanna see how this feels, how this works. I think a little bit goes a long way. I think I put too much on. So I do not have an eye primer for e.l.f., so I'm just gonna take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm just gonna use this Luxie 213 brush. Just gonna drag it to the middle. So I'm gonna scoot you guys closer so you could see what I'm doing to my eyes. So to set my paint pot, I'm just gonna take Gnarly to set my eyes. Now I'm gonna take the shade, the Bay, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. There's so many pretty colors in here, I can't choose. I really don't know what I'm gonna go for yet, so we're just gonna roll with it. Now I'm gonna take Gold Rush, and I'm gonna take the same brush that I use for Gnarly, the E1 Colourpop brush, and I'm just gonna focus on the outer lid. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna go hiking. And I'm gonna try to vlog for the very first time. I'm so excited. I'm not really sure how to vlog, but I'm gonna try, okay? But I'm gonna be using my other camera, my smaller camera, because it's kind of big for me to be lugging around. Oh, I didn't even tell you where I'm going hiking. I'm going hiking at, what's it called? Yosemite. I swear, I've lived here all my life and I have never been there. Is it sad or what? Okay, now I'm gonna go into Highway 1 and then focus that in my crease as well. I'm gonna go into cruising with this flat brush in E3. Let's see if it does anything or if it's better with my finger. Okay, not bad. That is like such a pretty gold. Can you guys see that? I don't think I have anything. It's just so true to its golden color, and it's not over glittery. But knowing me, I'm probably gonna put something to make it super glittery because I love a lot of glitter. Even though I'm going hiking today, right? I do want to go in Surf Rider. Look at this color. Surf Rider is such a pretty color. I'm just gonna use my finger with that color, and I'm just gonna dab it. Dab it. Dab it, dab it, dab it. Just to try to blend it all together. Hi, Bubs. Everyone say hi to my cat. Oh. He's the cutest, right? Well, I think every owner thinks their pet is the cutest, but I think mine is the cutest. So now I'm gonna go in, I can't help it, I'm gonna go in with some more glitter, and I'm gonna go with El Capitan, and I'm just gonna put that on the center, and I'm also just gonna use my finger. Yeah, just pat, 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 just in the center. I am so impressed with this palette. I'm gonna use their E5 brush and I'm just gonna try to blend out the edges so it doesn't look super harsh. You know what I'm saying? Is it even? Jeez, I can't tell. Okay, I think that's how I want to leave it. It's actually really pretty. Oh no. My Tamagotchi. Can you guys hear my Tamagotchi? It's hungry. It is so hungry. Okay. Now I am going to... I'm gonna prime my face because I'm gonna put some foundation on. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Timeless Primer. And I'm gonna put that in my T-zone because that's what I need the most. Right here. And on my nose, because I feel like is where I need it the most. Like, my foundation always freaking settles in my, like, right here. Okay. I forgot to do my eyeliner. I'm gonna do my eyeliner right now. And of course, gonna use my NYX. I don't have a Colourpop eyeliner, so I'm gonna use my NYX one. Oh yeah. I feel like I have like a sunset on my eyes right now. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, guys, because as you know, eyeliner is so hard to get even. I'm back with the Wet Beauty Blender and I'm gonna use this Colourpop No Filter Foundation. This is actually my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. I don't even know if this is my right shade. It is the only one I got, so we'll see. Uh-oh. My cat wants to come inside. Actually, it's a little lighter than I would want. What does everybody feel about like this foundation? Is it good? Is it not? I'm gonna be wearing this the whole day. Hopefully it doesn't melt off my face while I'm hiking, but I mean, it's probably gonna happen because it's hot in California. I feel like it's way too light. Okay. Now we're gonna conceal. The concealer I know I like. So now I'm going to set my face with their oh gosh. I feel like there's cat hair on me. Now I'm gonna set my face with their No Filter setting powder. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes and I'm gonna go in to Diego. I'm gonna go into a Gold Rush and I'm gonna put that underneath my lash line. I'm gonna go with the bronzer, which came with the palette that I put in this Z palette. Oops. This one right here, I forgot what it's called. It's called Opening Act. I'm gonna go into that shade and I'm gonna bronze up my face because I feel like my face needs bronzing. This is not getting me as bronze as I liked. So I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild bronzer in What Shady Beaches because this is like my faves right now. I'm using a Morphe flat brush if you guys want to know. I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop Between the Sheets blush. Now I'm gonna go in with my F5 brush and I'm gonna go into Main Attraction, which is this highlighter shade right here. What are we gonna do for the lips? For lips, I am gonna go with, I think, Scenic Route. Okay, I didn't think I was gonna like the blotty lips, but I really do, actually. Now all I gotta do is set my face and put some mascara on. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually really love it. I feel like I have the sunset in my on my eyelids. I said in my eyelids. No, on my eyelids, right? So yeah, I'm loving it. I love this Colourpop freaking palette. Oh, it's just so gorgeous and it blends beautifully. I love it. I didn't really like their bronzing shade. I think this one's a little too light for my skin tone. I think that's what it was, so it wasn't really showing up, but that's okay. Everything else was amazing. The ultra blotted lips are pretty nice. I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and leave down in the comments below if you guys also purchased this. I would love to know, and like what looks did you guys came up with. That would be awesome to share, right? So yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye guys.